uh, who having the same issue like me can learn from it.
Did you try to create the P2 license?
Yes, I activate it, but it's still not showing in my Active
Yeah, you need
Directory.
to give it some time. Give it like 10 minutes.
I've done it for like 30 minutes now.
Refresh your browser. Refresh the old browser or sign out and sign in again.
Okay.
Yeah. So enlarge your window. Recording now. Go to godaddy.com. Okay, before just search domain name registrars. Search domain name registrars. Just registrar, yeah. So these are different domain name registrars. So when we talk about domain name registrars, if you are dealing with a customer that needs to set up a business, if you're a consultant, you need to search for their business name, and you need to check that that account is not in use by somebody else, so don't have issues in the future. So we have different options. You can either go to Hover, Dynadot, Namecheap, GoDaddy. Okay, GoDaddy is the most popular. So go to GoDaddy. Microsoft does not have the name registration service. So you will have to go outside to find your domain name. Do you have an account with GoDaddy?
No.
Okay, you can do that later. Don't worry. So now we want to search for the domain name. So just search for anything. Just what business do you plan? Do you wish to set up anything? Just search.
Like I can search anything.
Search anything. Any logical name. Maybe a business name. Okay. Search. Okay, that's bmtechnologies.com 69. Don't follow this broker. So it's actually the domain name is taken. BM Technology is taken. So if you are really desperate to have that name, then you can go that route to find somebody
Pay this guy off.
To help you sort it. But I just tested, so you can see bmtechnologies.com.in. Now there's BM Technologies USA, so that one is available. You can use that. Then actually go back to your search.
Okay.
And you make it bmtechnologies.io. Let's see if that is available. BM Technologies. Close the. No.
Yeah, one word.
Yeah, you don't need to delete. You can just close the space. Technologies.
.io.
Yeah. See if that is available. It's available. $50. You know, some people make a kill. Some people make a fortune selling domain name. Like tomorrow, if you just buy this and keep it, you might be lucky, might be fortunate. Somebody that needs it might reach out to you and say, can you sell your domain name? So if they are really desperate, because depending on what they are trying to do, they might say, okay, $20,000. I know somebody that sold his domain name for $50,000 early in the year. Cash. It shows us the transaction. So let God use you. Open your mind. Start thinking of different names. Start thinking of different business opportunities you can do. Okay, so any business that come to mind, just register it. Keep it. The day you need it, you will know. And somebody might reach out to you. Do you mind selling this? If they're really desperate, okay, $10,000. Okay, $1,000. It doesn't happen all the time, but some people, that's their business. That they sell domain names. They will just, I don't know, they'll just come up with a business name, and but before you know it, somebody is actually looking for the exact name. So you have to buy it from them. And you don't want to change it. You need that .com. You need that .org. So this is BM. So let's look for bmtechnologiesusa.com. To change that to USA.com. Okay, so make it yours. Buy that one. So you have to open an account. Open an account. So don't worry, you don't need to share your screen again. So open an account, provide set up the card, then go back into your portal and register the domain name. And verify the domain name. Give me like 2 minutes.
Hey, Mr. Lekan. Hello, can you hear me?
Thank you, thank you. Any other person? Was everybody able to complete task 1? I need somebody else to share their screen. Who wants to go? Share your screen. Let me see what you did. Who wants to go for us? Who wants to go? Who is sharing their screen? If you are speaking, I can't hear you. Somebody is sharing their screen. Oh, I don't know this person. Favor, you're sharing.
I think I'm sharing my screen. Yes. So
You have to drag the browser to the page you are sharing. Are you using 2 screens?
I am.
Okay, drag. Are you sharing on your second monitor?
I'm trying. Okay, just give me 1 second. I think I know how to share my screen, but just give me 1 second. Let me just try to see if I can share it again.
Calm down.
Okay.
Don't worry. Just calm down.
Yeah, I actually just give me 1 quick second. Let me see if I can. Okay. You should be able to see my screen now. This is where, okay.
Yes,
So,
yes.
okay, so I got to, I was going with the steps, right? So honestly, I wasn't sure where I got stuck where I'm supposed to refresh, because I wasn't sure if I'm supposed to refresh from this,
Yes.
or there's supposed to be some kind of refresh button here from manage groups or so.
Refresh your browser. Refresh the browser.
So which I did. I have already done that.
Okay, so go back to your Active Directory.
So based on what you were showing for the other person, I see that I have not done this because it should have, the application should be 2 here, right, or so. And then this shouldn't be Azure AD free. It should have some name here, correct?
Yes.
So, yeah.
Did you try to refresh?
I didn't even get there because I was trying to refresh using the steps that you showed. And I guess I got lost in the middle of all this.
Let's do it together.
Okay.
So scroll down under manage. Under that manage, go to licenses.
Okay. Right here. Right here. Okay.
Then you see quick task on the right side of the page. Under quick task, get a free trial. Click on get a free trial.
Let's see, on the right. Let's get your free trial.
Okay. No, it's there.
All right. So keep going.
Hold on. Yeah, where you have your course. Wait. Can you see quick? Can you see quick?
Okay,
task?
right here.
Can you see get a free trial?
Yeah.
Okay. Then enter your AD Premium P2 free trial.
Okay, so right here.
Yeah. Scroll down.
Activate.
Yeah, it was a while for it to populate. So you have this for 30 days.
Okay. All right. So this is my second. All right, and then.
Did you create it?
Say that again.
Were you able to create a user?
I believe yes. Let's see. Or maybe I have not. I don't know.
Go out of here. Click on default directory. After home.
Okay.
Scroll up to users.
Right. So should I let this like happen first, right?
Don't worry. I just want to see. You should know now if you add any user.
Yeah, it says 1. That's
Okay.
me.
So did you create it or is just their default? Because naturally, if you open a new portal account, you of course are the number 1 user.
Yes. Okay. All right. So I guess maybe I thought I did put something here. I did put like give me 1 second. Probably I guess. So
Okay.
no. So I guess not because I created for me. I have not created somebody else. No.
So use the lab. You have access to the lab.
Yes. So yeah, because I was using the lab. I was going with a lab. I still got to that. I just was doing that manage groups. I got there and I got stuck there, I guess.
Go back into the lab and just try to follow through.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. So don't worry about that P2 license. It will take a while.
Okay. All right.
Just refresh your browser. Maybe after 5 minutes, it should appear.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. So this class is going to take a bit longer. So maybe I'm going to take 30 minutes more. We need to finish up this.
Mr. Leka, I think I need some help too.
Okay.
Maybe 2 or 5 minutes of your time. I don't know.
What do you want to do?
Please let me go ahead and share my screen.
Yes.